judges, I am Sai Priyadarsini from class 10, standing before you to share my views on the given topic, boys versus girls. Does that matter? And I stand firmly for the motion. First of all, I would like to ask one question. What is this male chauvinism to which Indian societies really give importance to? Male prejudice against women? Belief that men are superior to women in terms of ability, intelligence, and many more. If both women and men are working, after coming home, why is it that the girl will cook the food? Why cannot men do it? Both are equal. If after marriage, why girl need to go to boy's house? Why cannot a boy come to girl's house? Sounds strange, right? Why strange? Girls are made to sacrifice. Fine. Even after so many sacrifices, women are inferior, weaker, can't control country's administration. Right? Indira Gandhi, one of the best Prime Minister of India, who controlled India in the best way and for a long period of time. But still, girls cannot do it. Why? Boys versus girls does matter. Belief. False belief. But denying the truth doesn't change the facts. I'm speaking with authorized evidences. Economically, in India, less than a quarter, 23.6% of women are employed as compared to 78.6% of men. 55% difference. Literacy, 60% of women are literate and 81% of men are literate. 21% difference. Birth, world's population, both biased towards male. Can anyone tell me the answer to these questions? Why are fewer women employed in India? Why are women inferior in India? Why is women's population less in India? Why women can't hold an office? Why? Doesn't that matter? If there wouldn't be any difference, at least today I could have found any scientific reasons to these questions. No scientific reasons. The answer lies in the fact that women are discriminated. Have you ever heard in GK, first male president of India, first male prime minister of India? I have never heard. But you must have heard first female president of India, first female prime minister of India. Why? Can you think of any reason except the option that there lies a difference? Reducing gender inequality is one of the main goals in SDG. Why? Difference still lies. It is not that women are inferior. This point of matter makes them so. Thank you.